Hi, back again with another recipe. This time it is honestly the best marinade you will ever put on a steak. You can use it for any cut of meat that you grill. This one works really well with grilling, but you can pan fry as well. I like to use chuck, or this is a flank steak, and it's an inexpensive cut that they don't really normally have at the butchers. You kind of have to ask them to cut it for you. At least our butchers don't normally have it sitting out, but I don't know why. When you marinate it this way, it gets so soft, melt in your mouth, delicious, and it's great. So the secret is the pineapple juice that I just put in there. There's a chemical in there called bromelain that helps break down the meat. Another ingredient that helps do that is papaya. You'll have heard papaya maybe, or sometimes people use vinegar to help break down the meat. I don't like the flavor of vinegar or papaya all that much, so pineapple works well for me, and this is what I use. So literally just throwing all the marinade ingredients into a Ziploc bag with the meat, and just massage it and let it kind of sit and marinate. At least 24 hours is best. Normally I'll just marinate it like this and throw it in the freezer so that it's ready for us whenever we want to grill, and then when we want to grill I'll take it out, let it sit, defrost, and here we go. And so yeah, this was maybe the week later. I took it out of the freezer, let it defrost, and throw it on a grill, on a hot grill. You see the sizzle there. Make sure you use up all those juices to marinate the steak, and cook it to your desired doneness. We did about 4 minutes one side, flip it over about another 3 minutes, and it was like a good medium on the center, and that's how we like it. And I like to put this on tacos, so we're just gonna go with some avocado. This is my favorite way to slice an avocado. Just some pepper, some jalapeno, some spring onions, and some microgreens on some corn tortillas. This steak is melt in your mouth good. Another secret to making it kind of fall apart is to see where the meat fibers are going, the direction they're going. You got to cut against that. So I making sure that I'm cutting at a 90-degree angle to the way the meat fibers are, and that'll kind of help when you bite into it, that it'll just fall apart in your mouth. I think I've told you that this will fall apart in your mouth 10 times now, so anyways, try it. Tell me what you think, but it's so good. And that's it. Super simple, super easy. Bon appetit. Full recipes on the blog, rustory.com. And come over and say hi on my Instagram, @rustory. Talk to you soon.